Hi! Today, I'm going to show you 10 weird but useful features for your macOS. First, custom backgrounds for folders in Finder. In Finder's icon view, you can press Command-J. Here, you can choose whether you want to change the color or if you want the background to be a preset image. Let's select our image, and that's it. Now we have our background image set. In this case, it helps you visually differentiate one folder from another or quickly identify which one you're working on if you have multiple tabs or windows open. Or also, if you want, we can select a color, and here our color wheel appears. We can easily switch it over to any color you might prefer. If you don't like the color wheel, you will also find options for the grayscale slider, color palettes, color spectrum, and crayon colors. Now, the second method is the window for viewing the contents of the clipboard. You can simply find this in Finder under the Edit menu. We select it, and here it shows us the clipboard and opens a dedicated window that displays exactly what you have copied at this moment. It can be text, file names, images, and their format. Now, number 3 is the music visualizer in the Music app. For this, we're going to open the Music application. What is it about? Inherited from iTunes, when you play music, you can activate the visualizer to display graphics on the screen that sync with the rhythm of the audio. This works as a dynamic background during social gatherings at home, preventing the screen from going to sleep or activating the traditional screensaver. Number 4 is that we can open applications directly in Preview. If you drag an application's icon and drop it onto Preview, the application doesn't run. Instead, Preview extracts and displays all the graphic resources embedded within the software. These can be buttons, faces, controls, among others. This lets you extract interesting graphics or visual elements to use in presentations or other projects. Also, if you copy an application's icon to the clipboard, you can extract that icon in all its resolutions. Now, number 5 is the special effects and filters in Photo Booth. For this, we're going to look for the Photo Booth program. This program includes fun distortion effects and multiple pages of filters you can apply to your Mac's camera. Number 6 is novelty voices in voice reading. For this, we go to System Settings, and once here, we go to Accessibility, look for the Speech and Voice option, and here, when exploring the system's voice catalog, there are style, novelty, or cartoon voices. This works because when you listen to written text read in an unusual or exaggerated voice, it makes it easier to catch typos or writing mistakes that your mind usually overlooks with normal voices. Now, for number 7, we can announce the time with custom voices. For this, we go to System Settings, select Menu Bar, choose Clock Options, and here we select Announce the Time. You can set up your Mac to announce the time out loud every hour, every half hour, or every quarter hour, and you can assign a specific voice for it. Now, for number 8, we have text clippings. By selecting text in almost any application and dragging it directly to the desktop, a file with the .text clip extension is created. Number 9, we have the digital color meter. For this, we need to look for the digital color meter in our applications. This is a native utility in the system that shows the exact RGB values of any pixel you hover your cursor over. It lets you adjust the aperture size to get the average color of an area and copy the data using Shift-Command-C. And finally, we have the activity monitor integrated into the dock. For this, we're going to go to Applications and look for Activity Monitor. Here, we can see the activity of the CPU, memory, energy, disk, and network. And if we go here to the View menu, then select Dock icon, here we have Show Application icon. We can replace it, or we can replace the standard icon with a real-time CPU usage graph. So we're going to select it, and here we can see that the icon has already changed. We can also choose to show CPU history, we can show network usage, and show disk activity. Alright, these are 10 rare but useful functions of your Mac.